Here's how to set up personalized views for your dashboard. I'd like it so if a user logs in and opens up this dashboard, they'd be only able to see a subset of data. For instance, I have a sales performance dashboard. I want a sales manager to only be able to see the performance of their team and not the other teams. But you can apply this in other use cases as well. I've already set up my filters up top, and particularly I've set up my teams filter. I've also set up my spreadsheet. In my source spreadsheet, I've created a permissions tab. Here, I have my filter, as well as the email. Now I can ask our sheet assistant to create the permission view for us. Let's go back to the dashboard. You can ask the Edit with AI to create it for you. Otherwise, if you go into Share, you can open up Advanced Settings and open Personalized Views. Here, it already found the email column with my permissions. So you can see it's been completed. And now there's a new filter up top that's specific to you as the editor. You can see View As. So I have all of my filters here, and it's going to let you to view as if you were this email address, data@superlineally.co, as an example. And these are the numbers that they'll be able to see. We can even verify this. So let's open up that account. Here's a dashboard from that email. They'll be able to see the teams, but if they select something else, like a different team, the data here will be empty. I hope that helps.